Okay, so for a few reasons, I just wanted to quickly run through this process of how easy it is to work with us. If you come into our main website or homepage, even jdnevins.com, scroll down a bit, and anywhere on our site where you see the Get a Free Quote button, you can just quickly open up that button. It's going to bring you to this questionnaire, which is, by the way, for anyone who's curious, just a Wufoo form. It has a whole bunch of conditional logic built into it, so it's very small. I'm just going to put in some temp info here. It's a very small form, but depending on your answers, it opens up different questions. We'll pick all of them, why not? I'm going to do video. What kind of other service? I want to teleport. Something that we really provide. If you know what platform you want to build on, depending on what, again, you're asking for, whether it's education program design, whether it's a Shopify store, for example, depending on, again, the form. Now, also, I want to get into this a little bit later, but if you do have advertising, we have this really cool tool. You can calculate these numbers below, and then you see if I ask that, now it's going to ask you some details about your online advertising. There's an online tool, as I said, you can see the numbers, how they get crunched on your own, and I'll share a link to that. And now you submit that. Once you get to that, by the way, you'll be redirected to our thank you page, which has a link to our booking page. You may as well go ahead and book a strategy call, because we'll be able to take that data. I'm going to show you again what we're going to do in the back end. So as I said, that was a Wufoo form. So if I go over to my Wufoo forms and I download this, let's say as an Excel, definitely as an Excel, this is what happens on the back end on our side. So I'm going to open that up. Here's the blank report. And I can either copy those top two rows or just simply the second row here. Bring that over to our template. And then you'll see that all this information is going to update automatically. So here I have sort of a good dashboard view in Excel with the data information that I entered in there on the form, all in one place. And again, if you've entered in these numbers, you'll get these calculations, and you can go over to the online calculator. It's completely free, and that'll show you what these numbers, what you can afford in terms of ad spend, if we think that makes sense. You'll get a summary kind of like that. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to answer some questions for us, which really helps us get a good picture of what it is that you're looking to achieve.